guys, I'm Akansha. First of all, a very happy new year. Hope this year you accomplish all your goals and live your best life. So in this video we are going to plan for 2021 in our yearly planner and do all the planning for this year. So let's start. So let's start. What I am going to do is write a letter to my future self. I do this every year. I write a letter on the 1st of January and open it on the 31st December every year. I kept it in an envelope and hide it somewhere safe where I will not look for a year. Now let's start with the planner. On the first page, I am trying to make a vision board kind of thing. I will make some doodles over here and here regarding my vision for this year and create this page as a vision board for this year. Now on the next page, there is a calendar of the year. I will mark some little important dates for this year. So here I have divided my goals into 6 sections. This year what I am trying to do is, so these are the 6 areas which I will focus this year, and what I am going to do is only write one goal for each section and will accomplish that, or at least make some progress in that goal. After that I will write the next one so that it doesn't look like a big burden and I don't forget after some time. Now this page I have mapped out for our events day. I will write months over here and will add all the important dates in that month, like all the festivals, or I have some important work to do. Now from here the actual month start. I will create a little January calendar over here. Then there is my month to-do list. I will write my to-do list are week wise, so I will write everything I want to do on the first week of January. Now the second page is my content planner. I will plan my content for the month of January over here. I will plan out my Instagram content, my YouTube content. I have also leave some space over here so I can plan when will I shoot that video. So on this year planner I am also utilizing every space in my planner. On this page I am writing my monthly plans. I will write everything I have to do on this month and then we'll divide this task over the weeks. On this page I am creating a question of the week. I will write questions like, for the first week I am writing what is my goal for 2021, and like this I am writing 4 questions for each week, and every week there will be a new question. This is my habit tracker. So what I will be doing, I will be write my habits which I want to track, like water, exercise and everything, and I will make a graph to track my habits. About me page at the end of the year. In this page I will reflect over the year. I am writing proud of, improved, grateful, achieved, and I will writing everything I have been proud of, achieved and grateful over the time in this page. Movies, TV shows, I will write them when I watch them, or I will write their names over here. I will be writing the names of all the books I have read this year, like this. I always want to design my book page like this on my journal. I have left some blank pages on the end of the planner. I am planning to make a cheat sheet for my mental health. I will write some things which I like, and this is a new addition in my planner. Is a year in a pixel. I will represent each emotion by a color and will color but according to what I am feeling that day. I like so many emotions I mentioned here because emotion can be categorized into just happy or sad. Now I have designed this page as best of everything from 2021, like events, food, places. I will be mentioning everything favorite from my 2021 over here. And last is year at a glance. Now let's plan my journal for 2021. So for the first page, I am planning a proper 2021 separator. Let's make that. Now on this page I have made this kind of bubble boxes over here for each month. I will be making a doodle for each month that will represent that month. One last thing, I am going to make a origami bookmark for my planner. I have also created a mood board for the year, and also what I am doing this year is not making any resolutions or making a permanent yearly goals. After 2020, all I want to do is make small goals for each month and see what happens, and then you can think of it like 1 month at a time, because after 2020 I'm not planning myself ahead. So yeah guys, this was all for this year's setup. Hope this year brings you all the success and happiness. If this video helps you, can give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what are you planning for 2021, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I will see you next Friday. Till then, take care, be happy, bye.